Please allow me to share with you my appreciation for the opportunity to be involved in this great development initiative. And with that, I thank the Pacres Regional Project for the invitation, in particular for the Pacres Meatpack component that my division is implementing, so we can provide our progress and updates on our implementation for the information of the steering committee.
%98 of Samoa's domain is the ocean. Like other Pacific Island nations, we are not a small island developing state. We are a large ocean state. Our waters hold exceptional habitats from seamounts to coral reefs, mangroves, and oceanic basins. They all contribute significantly to both the economy and identity of our Samoan people. Despite being responsible for a tiny fraction of the global greenhouse gas emissions, Pacific Islanders are amongst the world's most vulnerable to climate change, and we're the first to directly experience its effects.
There is over 100 coastal communities in Samoa. However, only 9 communities are involved in this implementation.
Yo asola sa kelele fingo sam kar kemi yo makwala nga fai asu sio mangala ko ile swingor kawo ye vai kawo ulo ko kusa
matunu o kami moni laba ol matasini ni ole si am dan mai de la yang ole matunu ile fa ya o fa le afi be se lo i be stu ko inale na ye swingo wo lepe umaile am lepe kai ya ni ko karame wo ni ma le ma ko va ai yo lo ko kupul amu ma kai falo ma ko mu afuno se ya ma ko ile ko ngul ma ko ula ko tele le am yo kon fa yon ko tele ko de ya wali fun ka ma fa ol ma ko
Resilient future! Yay! Restore oceans, resilient future! Yay! Restore oceans, resilient future! Yay!
Restore oceans, resilient future!